When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few upgrades make as dramatic an impact as replacing your front door. For homeowners in Pell City, where first impressions matter, a well-chosen and professionally installed door can transform your home's appearance, increase its value, and improve functionality. Here's how door replacement can elevate your home's curb appeal and why it's a worthwhile investment for Pell City residents. Create a striking first impression. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or damaged door can make your property look worn and uninviting. Replacing your door with a modern, stylish option instantly elevates your home's exterior and creates a welcoming entrance. In Pell City, where homes feature a variety of architectural styles, you can choose a door that complements your home's design. From classic wooden doors to sleek steel or fiberglass options, a new door allows you to showcase your personal style while boosting curb appeal. Adding decorative glass panels, side lights, or a bold paint color can further enhance the visual impact. Increase energy efficiency. Beyond aesthetics, a new door can improve your home's energy efficiency. Many older doors lack proper insulation or have gaps that allow drafts to enter your home, leading to higher energy bills. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring insulated cores. Keep your home comfortable by preventing heat loss in winter and reducing heat gain in summer. Weatherproof seals. Ensure a tight fit that blocks drafts and moisture. Energy-efficient glass. Double or triple pane glass options reduce heat transfer while letting in natural light. For Pell City homeowners, these energy-efficient features not only lower utility costs but also make your home more environmentally friendly. Enhance security and durability. A front door should not only look great but also provide safety and security for your family. Replacing an old or weakened door with a modern option ensures better protection against intruders and the elements. Features that enhance security and durability include stronger materials. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors offer increased strength and resistance to forced entry. Advanced locking systems. Many new doors come equipped with multi-point locks or smart lock technology for added security. Weather-resistant finishes. Protect your door from Pell City's occasional storms and high humidity, ensuring it remains functional and attractive for years. Investing in a secure and durable door gives you peace of mind while enhancing your home's overall value and appeal. Boost your home's value. Curb appeal plays a significant role in your home's market value, and a new front door is one of the best upgrades for achieving a high return on investment (ROI). According to real estate experts, door replacement projects often provide an ROI of over 70%, making them one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance your home's exterior. In Pell City's competitive real estate market, a new door can make your property stand out to potential buyers. The combination of improved aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security is highly appealing and can even help your home sell faster. Expand your design options. Door replacement offers endless design possibilities, allowing you to customize your entrance to suit your style and preferences. Consider these options to make your door a standout feature. Bold colors. Make a statement with vibrant hues like red, navy blue, or even teal to create a focal point. Decorative glass. Add elegance and character with frosted, etched, or stained glass panels. Unique hardware. Upgrade to modern handles, knockers, and hinges in finishes like brushed nickel, black, or antique brass. Transoms and sidelights. Let in natural light and enhance visual appeal with additional glass elements around the door. With these customizable features, your new door will not only enhance curb appeal but also reflect your personality and design preferences. Low maintenance and longevity. Modern doors are built to withstand wear and tear while requiring minimal maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Pell City's varying weather conditions. Many options come with protective finishes that make cleaning a breeze, ensuring your door remains vibrant and functional for years to come. Conclusion. Transform your home's exterior. A front door replacement is one of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Pell City. From creating a stunning first impression to improving energy efficiency, security, and value, a new door offers numerous benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and functional entrance, investing in a high-quality replacement door is a decision that pays off. Ready to transform your home's exterior? Contact a trusted local contractor to explore your options and find the perfect door for your Pell City home. With the right design and professional installation, your new door will make a lasting impression for years to come.